Hey, what's up? Welcome back to VFX Factory once again. Today we will create this beautiful environment inside of Unreal Engine. If you are beginners in Unreal Engine and want to create some beautiful cinematic environment, then this video is definitely for you. So without much further ado, let's start it. So first we will create a new level. So go to File, New Level, and I will select this empty level, create, and now I will add some lights like direction light, make it movable, again skylight, make it movable, and then I will go to visual effects, sky atmosphere, volumetric cloud. If you need cloud, then you can add, otherwise it's okay. I don't need this, so I will delete this one, and then I will add this hide fog, and last one is this post-processing volume. Then I will go to this post-processing volume, and under that I will go to this minimum and maximum exposure, and I will add this by one, okay, and then again I will search for infinity and select this. Now our light is under our control, okay, the exposure is in the control. So now I will create a landscape. So let's go to here and select the landscape and just hit create. Now I will do some little bit of sculpting here. Just I will make its tool strength like 0.1 and brush size will be 1000, and here little bit, not more. Now I will add my custom mountain. You can easily download the mountain from the description below. I have already given the link. So go to select and let's import the mountain. So go to content browser and here create a new folder like mountain and hit OK, and go to import and just select your mountain file here. You can easily download this file, okay. So click on import. After importing the file, simply close this window and hit Ctrl space, and here is our all the meshes, and this is our mountain landscape, is our real mesh of mountain. So simply drag and drop this one here and place wherever you want. I will place this in some far distance. Let's lock this scale, and now I will increase its scale like 5 or 30. I will keep it 15, okay, and you can see I will place it little bit more far distance, so I will keep it here, and now make it 30 or 50, whatever you want. So let's arrange this all. I will again duplicate this and rotate this mountain like this and place this again wherever you want, and again I will duplicate this one by pressing Alt and left mouse button. You can duplicate anything. So again I will rotate this like this and move this to here, and one more time, okay. So this is okay for me. So now I will create a camera so that I can work on a specific frame. So I will go to cinematic, and here I will add this cine camera actor. So just go to this cine camera actor and right click, then select this snap object of view, and again go to perspective and select on cinematic viewport. Again go to perspective and select this cine camera actor, and here is our perspective view. Now we will change some camera settings, like under the camera, go to its detail, under the film back, just select this as your wish. I will select here 16:9 DSLR, and in the lens setting I will select 30 mm prime, okay. So This much is okay for me now. Now I will import my spaceship. So let's go to content browser again, and again we will create a new folder like spaceship and then go to import and select this file ufo.fbx. You can download this spaceship from the Sketchfab website. I will give the link in the description below. Please go and download, or you can use any of your custom spaceship or aeroplane or anything. Okay, so after importing, just close this window. Now I will drag and drop my mesh, my spaceship. So simply drag and drop this here, and if you want to decrease its size, you can decrease. Okay, I will decrease its size little bit, like 0.5. This will be okay for me. Okay, like this much, and this is okay. So I will sculpt my landscape little bit more. So go to landscape, and here I will press shift and left mouse button to sculpt in downward. So simply press shift, and here I will sculpt it upward like this. I can decrease my brush size. Okay, now this is uneven. So let's apply some material to this ground. So go to Quixel Bridge. After opening the Quixel Bridge, go to surface, and here you can select any of the ground option. Go to ground, and what type of environment you want, use your creativity and select your ground. Okay, for me I am selecting desert kind of ground. So I have already downloaded the materials and assets to use in my project. Must remember, before starting your project or starting your work, must download all the assets you want. Okay, so if I go to local megascan, and you can see this one is my material, my ground material. So I will simply export this, so high quality, and export this. So you can see a small windows here. So simply minimize the bridge and close this one. And now if I go to content browser by control space, here you can get a megascan folder, and under the surface this is my ground. So I will simply select this material, this one, and then select the landscape, and under the details you can find this landscape material. Just click this, and the material will automatically cover the landscape. Okay, so you can see the tiling effect here. To solve this, just double click on this material, just maximize this one. Here you will get this tiling offset. So click here, and here just type 0.1 by 0.1. It's not recommended, just watch your landscape, what is good for you. According to that, apply your material. Okay, so 0.1 is okay for me, that's why I will use this value, or you can use like 0.5 by 0.5. okay, whatever you want. So I will go to 0.1, and I will save this, close this again. So now we will add some rocks over this landscape, small scattering rocks and some big rocks. So we will go to bridge again, and I have downloaded all these assets for my project, for this spaceship project. You use your own creativity and select anything from the Quixel Bridge. Okay, so these are my scattering stones. Select these small scatters, all this, and I will hit export. After exporting, simply go to content browser, and here you can see all the rock here under the 3D asset. These are all the small scatter rock. So to apply on this all over the landscape, I will go to select mode, and here I will select this foliage, and now I will add all the scatter rock to here. So one by one, first I will go to small rock, and I will select all these meshes. This all are meshes. Okay, so I will drag and drop here. Okay, first I will apply these rocks first, then we will go for the others. So here I will change my density, painting density to like 10, and my scale will be like 0.1. So let's apply what happened. So you can see I will increase the density. So this is okay for me. Now I will apply this all over the landscape. Just be in your perspective, in your frame, so that you can work easily and fast. Okay, so this much is okay for me. Now I will add some big rocks. So I will deselect this all. Now I will add other rocks like this one and this one. Simply drag and drop this all. Okay, this and this last one. Okay, so I will select from this to this one and check the box, must check this box. Okay, and if I apply now, you can see lots of rocks, and this is not looking good. So I will apply the scale size like 0.1 to 1, and its density would be like 10, and let's apply now. Now it's okay. So brush anywhere you want. Okay, I will fill this place all over. Okay, always check your frame where you want to take your shot. Okay, according to that you can easily proceed your work. Okay, now I will manually add my rock and change its size. You can use all this rock, or you can download other. So I will go to Quixel Bridge to download other rocks. So as I have downloaded already, so I'll go to local, and these are the rocks, this one and this one. Okay, these two rock I will export now. I have already downloaded, so go to export. After exporting, just close this windows and then go to 3D asset and find your rock. So this one I will place this here, and again apply this to here and rotate this like this. Okay, so change the light direction by Control N and see how it is looking. Okay, this is okay. So now we will apply other props like cardboard box and other electronics item to this ground. So I will go to Quixel Bridge again. Must download all the assets before you start the project. Okay, so for my scene I have downloaded all these assets like this electric box, this wrinkle trap, and this cardboard box, etc. Okay, so I will select this all by shift and export this. Okay, after exporting I will minimize this. So I will apply the same process like foliage. So go to foliage, and let's deselect these rocks. Now I will drag and drop my cardboard box, something like, sorry, this, and then this one, and then this one. So these 4 are my cardboard box. So I will apply this to here. So for this cardboard box we don't need much more boxes. Okay, so I will decrease its size like 10. Let's apply how it is looking. Okay, you can see this is so good. So keep applying. I will increase its size little bit, like 2 by 2. I will apply in some specific place or in specific path. So as this spaceship is hitted to this ground, I will apply the boxes in this place. I will decrease the size of brush like this and in this way. Okay, not in other area, only in this way. Okay, now I will delayer this all, and now we will manually add other component. Okay, so before that, just press Ctrl S to save your scene. Like this is our spaceship scene. Hit OK. So don't worry about this black area. So go to select again, and here we will add some other props. So let me export first all the props. So I have exported all the assets. You take your time and download whatever you want according to your scene. Okay, so I will close this, and again I will go to my content browser, and here I will search for my message. So this one I will drag and drop this according to my scene. So I will increase its size a little bit, like 2, and I will rotate it. Just take your time and create your own beautiful environment. I will use this too. Okay, and this is a bottle, oil bottle. I will increase its size a little bit like this and place it near the camera and rotate this. So take your time and cover this all over the ground according to your frame. Okay, so let's go to the next step. I'm just showing you the reference how you can use this all assets and how to import this all. So take your time and create your own. So now we will add some smoke and some fire elements. So to add that, just go to content browser by Ctrl space and just go to this starter content here and go to particles, and here you can find this fire element here. So simply drag and drop this at any place. I will place this here. Okay, and increase its size like 5. Okay, just change the light direction and you can see the result. Okay, you can place it anywhere you want. Now we will apply the smoke. So again, this is here P smoke. Okay, you can find this here. So let's check its position and let's increase its size like 5. Okay, and place it near the fire so that it will look like it's coming out with the fire. Okay, again I will duplicate the smoke and place it behind my spaceship. Okay, just like this. So this is the way you can create any environment. So use your own creativity, use your own ideas and make your own different style on different environment. So see you again next time. Till then, have a nice day.